Unleash the power of AI with Nano Banana, a game-changing plugin that brings intelligent tools right into Photoshop. First, let's get Nano Banana installed to supercharge your creative workflow. We'll begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Nano Banana website. You can usually find it by searching for Nano Banana Photoshop plugin. Once you're on the website, look for the download or get plugin button. This will typically lead you to a page where you can download the installer file. Make sure you choose the correct version for your operating system, whether you're on Windows or Mac. After the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer and double-click it to start the installation process. Most installers are straightforward and will guide you through the steps. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely need to agree to the terms and conditions and choose an installation location for most users. The default settings will work perfectly fine. Once the installation is finished and you see a confirmation message, click Finish to close the installer. Now it's time to open Adobe Photoshop. If Photoshop was already open during the installation, you might need to close and reopen it for the plugin to be recognized. With Photoshop open, navigate to the Window menu at the top, then hover over Extensions, and you should see Nano Banana listed there. Click on it to launch the plugin. And there it is. Your Nano Banana plugin is now integrated directly into Photoshop. You'll see a new panel or window with all its iPad tools ready to assist you in creating stunning visuals. Explore its features and elevate your image editing to a whole new level.